Did you know just two bananas will provide you with enough energy for an intense 90 minutes 90-minute workout. Apples are more effective in waking you up in the morning than coffee. Eating cucumbers before bedtime can help you wake up feeling refreshed and headache free. 3 carrots give you energy to walk 3 miles. They were first grown as a medicine, not food.